Hey y'all, look at this hair. Look at these hair. And it come off. Stop hating, bro. Today's video, we finna install our wig in a car, okay? I've been trying to find a day that is cool enough. Today's only 53 degrees. I felt like this was a good idea because I said I'd never actually installed a wig in a car before, ever in my life. Hopefully, you don't, no bugs be flying up in here. Cause one thing we don't do is no bugs. And today I don't have no blow dryer. I ain't got no hot comb, no lace spray. Today's install is from Unice here, as you guys can see. And this is a glueless wig. This is the box. I think it's like a 7x4. Wait a minute, y'all. Let me just look up the details really quick. This is a 7x5 balayage highlight bodyweight wig. 24 inches, and the density is 150%. This is how it. Loud out here. I'm starting to regret this real quick. Oops. This is a pretty Unice. Okay, it did come with some tape. It came with some bye-bye knots tape. They gave us the elastic band. We got the wig. We got the wig. Color. This color. Eat. Okay, let me show you guys up close the hairline. The hairline has a part. It says the knots are bleached. Alright, so this is what the lace look like on the back of my hand. Y'all can see it's giving scalp. I don't know if you guys can see, it's not all the way laid down. I think I need to tighten it up just a little bit more. All right, so I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna tint the lace. All right, so we got a cream foundation. I'll take the darker shade. And then I'm just gonna go in and cover the entire lace. This is what it look like when it's fully tinted. Ooh, lace blended in very well. Besides the parts that, you know, still lifted. I thought you wasn't gonna be able to tell, but you can tell this is all lifted here. And we cannot go out like that. We just can't. Alright, so I thought it was recording, but I wasn't. I did trim off some of that extra lace to see whether I would need to add any of the bye-bye knots, I guess the glue tabs. I cut it off to see, but I don't think I'm gonna need it. I'll just go on the outside and put some more of this cream foundation on the outside, like this. Spritz, spray some on my comb, and I'm just gonna do like these. I'm just acting like it's a hot comb. It is not, but this is gonna help the flyaways and also gonna help my part lay down how I want it. And y'all know I love me some bumps. Can't do no bumps with no hot comb. All right, so we're gonna spray some of that spritz again on the edge brush to lay down this hairline. Push it back. All right, so we need some more cream foundation. Get a makeup wipe and clean off the outside of it where I messed up at. All right, so let's get the combing out some of these curls. All right, guys, so I did not have time to give you guys an overall review of this wig because I had to go. But y'all, I'm gonna rate this wig a 9.5 out of 10, baby. She is giving what she's supposed to give. I love the construction of the wig. I love the color of the wig. And like I said, this review is straight out the box. Y'all seen me take it out and put it on my head. And it was a challenge for me because y'all know I love having my hot tools, hot comb and all that stuff to install my wig, but I won't say I did that bad of a job to be out in the car with nothing but Spritz, a comb, and a brush. So yeah, y'all let me know how you think I did for my first time, you know, installing it without any of those products. Is my part crooked? I'm a perfectionist, y'all. I promise you I am. It's like, it's gotta look right. I just wish they really curl both sides the same, both away from the face. And the other side be looking like who but why. So this is what it looks like. Okay, if I put my head down, and ain't nobody clocking me still. I didn't use any type of adhesive. I just stuck it on my head. Really love how it turns out. Like I said, very natural, and I love that I gave y'all like outside view too so you guys can see. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumb up. I will leave all information in regards to this unit linked down in the description section below, and until my next video, your girl will see you later. Bye guys.